how to make money using Perplexity.ea. Imagine having a tool that does all the heavy lifting for you, researching content creation and even automating tasks so you can focus on what really matters, making money. With Perplexity, this dream becomes a reality. Whether you are into affiliate marketing, blogging, or creating educational content, Perplexity is your secret weapon. Learn how to turn EA into a passive income machine today. So hi guys and welcome in this video where I will show you how you can earn money from Perplexity.ea. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Perplexity.ea. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various things and various information about Perplexity and how it works. And right now let's know what is Perplexity first. So Perplexity is a tool designed to provide users with answers and information by leveraging EA and data from the web. It functions similarly to a search engine but incorporates advanced EA capabilities to offer more refined and contextually relevant responses. So this is the homepage. Here is how it works, but before that let's click on Virtual Pro to know if it's free or not. So here we have standard, start for free, no credit card, free forever, and we have here continue with free with unlimited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, standard Perplexity and model optimized for speed and quality, create a profile to personalize your answers, and that's it. And right now if you come back to the homepage here, I will show you how it works. So for example, let's give a question, how to make money on Perplexity, and then we have here how it works. So we have here various sources. You can choose the one you want. We have here how to make money with Perplexity and YouTube one, and we have make money with Perplexity. We have also YouTube, and we have also Cholify here. Then a few more we have here EA business plans, YouTube also, YouTube here, it prompts, Reddit also. So we have here various sources. And then also we have here videos, also images. So it's very helpful because it benefits a lot of sources and a lot of answers, so you can just start. So how you can earn money on Perplexity? So the first one we have here, content creation. So for example, you can just start a YouTube channel where you demonstrate how to use Perplexity to quickly find and summarize research papers, monetize your ads, and sponsored videos. You could also start a blog where you share EA tool tutorials and use affiliate links to EA tools or related products to generate income. This is for the first one. Then we have the second one, it's freelance work. So for example, you can just offer a service on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to write articles or conduct research using Perplexity. For instance, you could use Perplexity to quickly gather and synthesize information on a specific topic, providing high quality content faster than traditional methods. Then we have the third one, it's consulting. So for example, as a consultant, all you have to do is help small businesses like integrate Perplexity into their workflow. Then also you could advise a marketing team on how to use Perplexity to research competitors, stay updated on industry trends, or generate content ideas efficiently. Then the fourth one we have teaching. So for example, you can just create an online course on Udemy titled Mastering EA Tools for Efficiency Research and Writing. In this course, you teach students how to use Perplexity for tasks like academic research, content creation, or data analysis. Charge a fee for the course and earn revenue based on enrollment. Then we have the fifth one, it's affiliate marketing. So for example, write a detailed blog post on the best EA tools for content creators, including Perplexity. Use affiliate links in the post so when readers purchase or sign up for the tools through your link, you earn a commission. Promote this blog post through social media and email newsletter to drive traffic. Then we have the last one, it's automation services. So you can just offer a service where you set up automated workflows using Perplexity for businesses. For example, create a system that automatically gathers and summarizes daily industry news for executives, charge a setup fee and possibly a monthly maintenance fee for this service. So I give you the six how you can earn money on Perplexity. So Perplexity could help you guys because its speed and efficiency quickly processes and summarizes large amounts of data. The accurate information retrieval by providing relevant and precise answers. Also, its honest research aids in efficiently literature reviews and data analysis. Also, user-friendly, easy to use, accessible to a wide audience. Also, we have cost-effective reduces the need for additional staff or outsourcing, and also it's available for 7 per day, accessible anytime anywhere. So also its versatility useful across various industries and tasks, and we have also consistent quality deliveries, reliable and quality high quality output. Then we have tool integration, can be integrated with other software for enhanced workflows. Then learning capability improves over time with user interactions. These benefits make it a valuable tool for boosting productivity and efficiency. And then here we have also, you can just ask about whatever you want. Then you have a writing, academic, video, math, social. Then we have also here an encyclopedia. You can also ask about other things. And then also we have here covers. You can just click over it and know more information about it. We have here columns and at Perplexity. You have fake also here. You can just click over the one you want and then you earn money. You can learn information. Sorry, then we have how does Perplexity work. So you can see, and you can just click over the one you want and you learn information about Perplexity. And also here we have you choose the language you want, French, English, standard, German, Japanese, Korean. Simply you can just click over the one you want and then you start with Perplexity. So Perplexity offers various opportunities to generate income, whether through automated content creation, affiliate marketing, or educational research. By leveraging its capabilities, you can streamline tasks, attract traffic, and ultimately build passive income streams. With the right strategies, Perplexity can become a powerful tool in your money-making toolkit. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.